Exercise 31. If a book is really successful, the public may buy it in very large numbers, full stop. Sometimes we see figures showing that several 100,000 copies of a book have been bought, full stop. It is of interest to ask Kalun inverted commas begin, what does the public ask for in the books which it reads for pleasure, question mark, inverted commas close. In this field, comma, as with all other arts, comma, there is the man or the woman who says Kalun inverted commas begin. I do not know much about writing, comma, but I do know what books I like to read, full stop, inverted commas close. And if we may judge from the books which have been great successes, it seems safe to say that what the masses of the people ask for in their reading is a book which tells a good story about interesting people, comma, a book with movement and life in it, full stop. There are always people ready to give the public what it asks for in such respects, comma, and writers who wish to make money from their writing have been almost forced to write books of the kind which please the people who make up the largest market for their work, full stop, new paragraph. Now a book written with this public in view may still be a good book, comma, but very often it is not the book which the writer would have written had he been quite free to follow his own wishes, full stop. The form of book provided by many writers is the book which tells a clear story, comma, which gives a picture of a number of men and women who at the beginning of the book are in one set of conditions, comma, and who move step by step throughout the book into a different and more pleasing set of conditions, full stop. Such a book gives the reader a sense of order, full stop. The people in these books act and think along certain lines, comma, and it is only in details that the stories differ, full stop, new paragraph. But during recent years, the more thoughtful writers have been attempting a new form, full stop. It is said that the course which our lives take depends upon our personal thoughts, comma, the thoughts which, comma, if told at all, comma, are told only to those nearest or dearest to us, full stop. It is in these personal thoughts that the writers are interested, full stop. The important thing, comma, they say, comma, is to set down the life which goes on in a man's mind, not so much the thoughts which result from the day-to-day happenings, comma, but the long line of thoughts which makes up his real life, full stop. But both the old and the new form of book are subject to material considerations, comma, and it is not possible for every event or every thought to be set down, full stop, new paragraph. All writers have to face this question of what to use and what to leave out, full stop. The writer of the book with a story uses those events or thoughts which help on the telling of his story full stop. The wish of the writer of the new form of book is to give a complete picture of the minds of the people he is telling us about full stop